Hey there, future affiliate marketing ninjas. Welcome to the Wavespan Affiliate Marketing Guide. I'm thrilled to introduce our exciting series, Demystifying Affiliate Marketing, from Novice to Ninja. Come along, and I'll guide you on this incredible journey to uncover the secrets of affiliate marketing success. In this series, we're diving headfirst into the captivating world of affiliate marketing. Whether you're a complete beginner or dipping your toes into the affiliate waters, this series will take you from a novice to a ninja. Now, let's start by demystifying the concept of affiliate marketing. Imagine earning a commission for every sale you drive to a product or service, without the hassle of creating the product yourself. That's the essence of affiliate marketing. It's a win-win scenario where you, as an affiliate marketer, promote products you love to your audience. When they purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing isn't just a buzzword, it's a dynamic and integral part of the online business ecosystem. Companies, both big and small, leverage affiliate marketing to expand their reach, boost sales, and tap into new audiences. As an affiliate marketer, you act as a bridge between these companies and your dedicated followers. Now, let's talk about the perks. As an affiliate marketer, you don't need to worry about product creation, inventory management, or customer support. Instead, you focus on what you do best, curating compelling content and recommending products that genuinely resonate with your audience. On the business side, product creators benefit from increased exposure and sales without bearing the entire marketing burden. To truly grasp the potential of affiliate marketing, let me paint you a clearer picture. Remember the last time you watched a video review of a product you considered buying? Chances are, that content creator was an affiliate marketer. They earn a slice of the pie every time someone clicks their link and makes a purchase. And then there's the remarkable story of Pat Flynn, who started as a part-time blogger and transformed into a six-figure earner through affiliate marketing. Their dedication, strategic approach, and passion for helping others paved the way for their success, and the same potential lies within each of you. Learn more about Pat's story in the video description. So, whether you're eager to boost your income, establish a thriving online business, or learn the ropes of affiliate marketing, this series is tailor-made for you. Get ready to unlock the secrets, acquire the skills, and embark on a journey to becoming an affiliate marketing ninja. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll be diving into the art of choosing the perfect niche and conducting research to set you on the path to affiliate marketing greatness. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our expert insights. Join the Wavespan affiliate marketing community as we learn, grow, and conquer affiliate marketing. Until next time, keep riding those waves.